guys, it's Kylie. So I have decided until I get pregnant, I'm going to be bucket list living every single month. I'm going to be picking somewhere new to go, a new adventure to go on, and to just continue bucket list living until I get pregnant, because I think it's just going to keep my heart and my mind just as stress-free as I possibly can until I get pregnant. And then I'm going to be at home for the most part from there on out. My lips are chapped right now. Sorry. Anyways, so I have decided I'm going to go somewhere solo in January, but I don't know where yet. Either solo or with a friend. So, that being said, I want some ideas. I'm kind of thinking maybe Colorado with my friend, but I can't drive in the snow and ice, so it would have to be literally with somebody else that could drive in the snow and ice. So, if you have any other ideas, let me know. Man, my lips are so chapped, it does not look good. Anyways, love y'all.